In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed error message when trying to open up your Steam games. So all you need to do to fix this is very nice and straightforward. We just head over to the Steam application, head over to Library from the top navigation, and select the game that you're having issues with. So once you've located the game that you're having this Easy Cheat message pop up for, just right-click on the game, come over to Manage, and then select Browse Local Files. From here, you need to head inside of the Easy Anti-Cheat folder, and you'll see this file here, Easy Anti-Cheat Setup. All we're going to do is right-click on this file, come over to Show More Options, and then select Create Shortcut. Then once we have the shortcut created, we're just going to right-click on it, come over to Properties, and head inside of the target text here, and come right to the end of this string of text. And then just hit the space bar on your keyboard, and you need to type in install space prod-fn like so. And once you've added this line of text, we can then press apply and OK. Then right-click on the shortcut that we just created, and then you'll need to run this as administrator, and this will go ahead and automatically install the Easy Anti-Cheat. If that doesn't work, then what we need to do is head back over to the Steam application. Once again, right-click on the game that you're having issues with, head over to Properties, click on Installed Files, and simply press Verify Integrity of Game Files, and that's just going to ensure that all of our files are working correctly and nothing has been corrupted. So just go ahead and wait for this to get to 100%, then we can close out this window and you can try launching your game. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you are still getting some kind of error message, then let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe.